Composition: copper.
nickel.
Weight 22, 68 G diameter, 38, 1 millimeters edge reeded.
So guys, sa harapang bahagi po ng baryang ito, makikita natin ang salitang Liberty, In God We Trust, 1974, at ang litrato po ng kanilang 34th President ng United States of America na si Dwight D. Eisenhower. At sa likurahang bahagi naman po ng baryang ito ay makikita natin ang katagang United States of America, $1 coins, at ang litrato po ng isang ibon na pinapaligiran ng mga star. Pati po ang litrato ng isang planeta na may katagang E Pluribus Annum. The $8 was minted to honor Dwight D. Eisenhower, 34th President of the United States of America. He was a commanding general in World War II and was loved and respected by the American people.